The Tow-Pro Liberty is a 12-volt electric brake controller designed to control electric or electric over hydraulic brakes on trailers with up to 2 axles, including enclosed RV, livestock, fifth wheel, flatbed, marine, dump, and utility trailers. This proportional brake controller measures the vehicle's braking force and applies the trailer brakes to match. Drivers can set the dial to suit the trailer's weight or their own preferences, ensuring smooth braking with no push or pull on the vehicle. Most states and provinces throughout the US and Canada legally require an electric brake controller when hauling a trailer above a set weight. Tow-Pro Liberty is the best value option for proportional braking built for everyday towing on the highway. It delivers consistent performance and simple operation, giving you confident control wherever you travel. Unlike other controllers that use a bulky footwell mounted box, Tow-Pro Liberty offers a factory-level finish with a clean and practical installation. The control knob mounts neatly on the dash with an easy reach, while the compact main unit fits behind the dash to avoid knee knocking and interference with lower leg airbags. The control knob also features sway-stop manual override braking, giving you fast and safe correction of trailer sway with a single press. The Tow-Pro range features a 3-axis sensor with active calibration, so the unit can be installed in any orientation behind the dash, removing the need for calibration before every trip. Tow-Pro Liberty pairs easily with vehicle-specific inserts and wiring harnesses for a fast, straightforward setup that delivers an OEM look. With over 45 years of experience in designing, testing, and manufacturing industry-leading automotive electronics, nobody builds gear like we do. But REDARC doesn't just make premium products, we stand behind them, supporting customers with our market-leading technical and sales support. Tow-Pro Liberty packs all of REDARC's research and industry-leading experience in trailer braking technology into one compact unit to deliver reliable safety on the road. To learn more on the Tow-Pro Liberty and for more Help Center content, visit redarcelectronics.com.